In this video, I will be showing you how to create a CJ dropshipping manual order. First of all, you need to make sure that you're logged into your CJ account. Now, above or at the top right corner, you can see My CJ. All you have to do is to tap that, and it will take you directly to this page. Now, of course, you need to verify your email account in order for you to proceed. So click Verify. So this is what it looks like. And all you have to do here is scroll down and kindly tap this orders here. Now you have some options, but all you have to do is to click this imported orders. Okay, so click next, and this is what it looks like. Now tap this create orders by searching products, and this is what it looks like now. Now click any of the products here. Let's just say, for example, I'm going to click the second one. And then after that, go to the bottom right corner where you can see the optional button add. Click this one. As you can see, it says added successfully. Now, the next thing to do is to kindly tap this icon and then scroll down and tap next. So you just have to fill out this information here. So you have to be very careful and you have to be very honest when it comes to typing information here. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to click this confirm. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a CJ dropshipping manual order. If you find this informative, please like and subscribe. And see you again in our next videos.